Thanks so much for watching. This is MariaLovesArt, and this is how the engine of life was created. I started out with some very light colors. I thought it looked pretty good, but I just was not feeling it. I was just messing around with the paint at this point. It kind of looks like a feather. What do you think? I think in the end it came out pretty nice. That didn't last long because I got bored and I needed something else. I just really felt like I could make something even better. So I started to blend the colors. I'm using MariaLovesArt fluid ready to pour acrylic paint. So here comes the something different I was looking for. So I started using the end of my brush and just started dragging the colors. I knew that this looked like arteries and just vessels. I know it sounds gross, but that's what it looked like to me. That's when I thought about painting a heart. I was told it looked like a Chinese dragon. I could see that. I'm using the straw to blow, and then I'm going to drag it out just with the end of my brush again. So it's wet and it looks like this right now with lines and everything. You can see it, but once it dries, it's gonna come out pretty smooth. So here it is when it is dry. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to draw a heart. I don't always draw things out first. Sometimes I just start to paint. If you have a chance, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much. So these are the products I would be using for this video. I got these for Christmas, and you can see I still have some wrapper on them. I'm going to try them out. I knew that I really loved using these oil paints as soon as I started using it. I was always afraid of using oils. I usually work in acrylic, but it just went on so nicely. I think if you work with one medium, the other mediums would be easy as well. You don't need very much of these colors, and what I did was I used a napkin to wipe my brush. I think this is starting to look really great now. The heart is starting to form. I am switching off the brushes when I need them. Sometimes I need a wider one, and sometimes I need a teeny tiny one to get into some spots. So my hands didn't get too dirty on this one. This is oil painting, and it's so much fun. this is what it looks like so far. I think it's a little bit masculine for me, so I'm gonna do something else with it. Okay, so I had a change of plans. After I posted it on Facebook, there were some people that really liked this painting, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is for them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video.